Are you always struggling with dry and dusty hair? Hair that tangles very fast, hair that breaks because of dryness? Today I'm going to be showing you 2 ways I use okra. I incorporate it in 2 ways in my hair care routine, and my hair has grown thick, soft, and healthy. So keep watching, and if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Let's proceed. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. To begin, we are going to be needing some okra. So as I said earlier, today I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways I like to incorporate okra to my hair care routine. My hair has grown thick, soft, and shiny and healthier than never before. So if you keep watching this video to the end, you'll get to know all of the benefits and the steps that you can use anytime you want to prepare your okra hair growth treatment. So I'm cutting the okra into small pieces. As you can see, my okra were already clean. So just make sure to wash and rinse your okra before using to remove dirt and impurities. Okra contains mucilage, which helps to soften, detangle, and add silkiness to your hair. So if you struggle with hair dryness, your hair breaks a lot whenever you detangle because of dryness, then you should consider including ingredients like okra to your hair care routine. If you don't have access to okra, you can use flaxseed or aloe vera. But I prefer using okra or aloe vera rather than flaxseed because for me, they are not drying like flaxseed gel. Another ingredient I'm going to be adding is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seeds are another strengthening ingredient you can incorporate to your hair care routine, especially if your hair breaks a lot. They are a great source of protein and nicotinic acid, which helps to strengthen the hair from the root. So I just added some fenugreek seeds. There is no any measurement I used. Just use any measurement of your choice. And I transferred them into a stove, allowed them to simmer for about a few minutes. You don't need to cook this for long because you don't want to destroy important nutrients in the ingredient. I went ahead and removed the ingredients from heat, allowed them to cool down for a few minutes, and now I'm straining out. I'm just making sure I squeeze out all the gel out. Just use anything with very tiny hose. If you use a strainer, I don't think it's going to come out easily. So just use a piece of cloth or a cheesecloth. Once I strain out, go ahead and grab yourself the applicator bottle of your choice and transfer your treatment in there. So we're done with the first step, and the second step will be needing the same okra. My okra are really dirty. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to wash them and make sure they are thoroughly clean. So I'm gonna rinse them for like 2 times and get rid of all the dirt and impurities. I bought them from my local market, and they seem to be very dusty. So I'm just rinsing them 2 times. After rinsing, I went ahead and cut them into small pieces. So for this step, we will be needing rosemary. So rosemary is a very powerful herb with powerful benefits for our hair and scalp. Rosemary helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which contributes to faster hair growth. So using rosemary consistently will bring a significant change in terms of hair thickness and length of your hair. But if you use consistently, the next ingredient we will be adding is cinnamon. I'm beginning to love cinnamon in my hair care routine. I have been including it to my hair care routine and it has really helped me with my scalp health, including stimulating the scalp. Whenever I use cinnamon to my hair care routine and massage it to my scalp, I feel a great difference. So you should start including ingredients like this I share with you. If you haven't watched my videos, you can go ahead and watch and see the ingredients I try to use on my hair care routine. So I'm just adding just any amount of rosemary and cinnamon. Again, there is no any specific measurement. Use quantity of your choice. I'm adding just 1 cup of water and after that I'm going to cover the mixture and I will transfer them to a stove. Allow them to simmer for a few minutes. So if you don't want to destroy important nutrients and if you want the treatment to have all the benefits, do not overcook. Just 5 minutes are okay. So I went ahead and removed everything from the stove, allowed them to cool down for a few minutes, and now I'm straining out. You can see it's a bit different from the first one I made. Now it is not as thick as the other one. Now I'm going to transfer it to an applicator bottle for easy application. Now you can use this treatment in 2 ways, either as a detangler or pre-poo and as a leave-in. But it depends on how light or thick they are. If it is thick, you can use it as a detangler, and if it is light, you can use it as a leave-in. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. Hope you enjoyed, and if so, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next.